Interactive embedded analytics is supported inside business applications, websites, and external portals. In the native dashboard, users interact through runtime filters and drill actions. Drill actions open detailed views so users can move from summary KPIs into underlying records without leaving the dashboard. The same dashboard is then embedded inside an external portal. In the embedded application, the dashboard remains fully interactive, with in-app filters and comparison period controls. As the user changes the embedded time period and filters, KPIs and visuals recalculate immediately, demonstrating the same interactive behavior in the embedded experience. Host applications can embed full dashboards or individual components and control them programmatically through APIs and SDKs using the same governed semantic layer as the native experience. Customization for embedded and white label deployments is handled through themes and branding. In settings, we select a workspace theme and apply white label options such as logo and favicon controls and hiding GoodData links. Returning to the dashboard, the updated theme is applied, showing how embedded analytics can match the host application's look and feel while preserving consistent metric logic and secure access controls.